systematic withdrawal plan in hybrid mutual funds. What is SWP? SWP in mutual funds is a redemption scheme where investors get to redeem units at pre-decided intervals and frequency to get regular income from their lump sum investment. Redemption can be done monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or yearly. Here's why you should choose SWP. A systematic approach. Unlike traditional investments, SWP follows a systematic approach where you receive fixed withdrawals directly in your bank account on scheduled date. A convenient way. With SWP, one can enjoy a steady source of income without much hassle. Makes it even better. There's no overhead/maintenance cost attached, which makes it even better. Rate of withdrawals, which helps you plan for your needs. Capital appreciation. Along with regular withdrawals, you keep getting good returns on your capital invested. Helps capital appreciation long term. Tax efficiency. Considering the lump sum capital involved, SWP is one of the most tax efficient mode of investment. Tax is levied only on the capital gains and no TDS is deducted.